Hi, what's up guys? It's me Anafan and welcome back to TechChap. Today I'll be showing you guys step by step how to change Samsung Galaxy S6 battery. This video also contains bonus tips on how to check your battery status and know when to change it. So let's get started. First step, check your battery status to know if you need to change your S6 battery real soon. As we know that Samsung S6 does contain non-removable battery. So let's see some ways to check battery situation before thinking about opening the S6. Here are a few possible signals showing that your Samsung S6 battery needs to be changed. The first signal is your S6 seems to have a battery draining real fast. You just fully charge the battery, but you can't use it in a few hours. The second signal is battery status shows fluctuating. Sometimes your battery shows is 55%, then a few moments later it shows 69%. The third possible signal is your phone seems overheating when performing small tasks and phone automatically restarts. After restarting, you often see the battery status fluctuating and it gives you a confusion. You often have to go through Android app resetting. Alright guys, now it's time to change your battery. Next step, let's prepare some tools for changing the battery. A teeny screwdriver, preferred 0.8mm, a suction cup, mobile adhesive liquid, hair dryer for opening the back cover, a new battery especially for S6 only. I don't recommend other models' battery, and a piece of card or SIM card holder, a hard plastic card. Here's step by step how to change the battery. Firstly, turn off the phone and remove the SIM card holder. You can use a pin tool or a toothpick for this task. Now, let's remove the back cover. You need to use the hair dryer for heating up the back cover and heating up the adhesive to easily remove it. Make sure the space between the hair dryer and your phone is not so close. It might take 2 to 3 minutes to go around the corners of the back cover. Next, use a piece of card. Here I use a plastic card tool to nail the back cover up from all 4 corners of the phone. Then slightly go around the edges. The plastic card is to assist on detaching the back cover. You don't have to try to nail it out right away. Just in case that you might get your back cover broken up after detaching all around the edges. Now, use a suction cup to pull up the back cover. You can repeat the same steps for edges of the front screen if needed. Now, let's go and remove the old battery. Use a teeny screwdriver and unscrew all the screws. After that, remove the frame that the battery is sticking in. Unsnap it from the bottom of the phone. Then go around the edges to remove the frame. Now, remove the old battery and replace the new one in. Make sure the battery connector is carefully plugged in. At this point, don't rush into closing all things back up, but let's try to restart the phone once to check if the new battery works fine on it. Next, reattach the frame. Then, retwist those screws. After that, reattach the back cover using mobile adhesive liquid. In this step, you can use a small sharp tool to remove the leftover adhesive before refill a new layer of adhesive in. Make sure you use a light adhesive layer. This is to make sure the back cover totally fit in. Now, reattach the front screen part using the adhesive also. Last step here is to use a few rubber bands to stabilize the back and front covers. Make sure you keep them like that for around 2.5 hours to get the covers fully attached when the adhesive gets dry. And voila! You've learned how to change the Samsung S6 battery. That's it for today's quick tips video, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you find this helpful, please share it with others. If you're new here, please consider to subscribe to my channel to support me more on this journey. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now.